Hi everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In this video we'll show you how to find Google Meet call history and understand where your past calls are stored. If you've been wondering how to find Google Meet call history easily, now let's get started. Step 1. Open a web browser on your computer and go to the official Google Meet website. Step 2. Sign into your Google account if you are not already logged in. Step 3. Click on the Meet option to open Google Meet. Step 4. Wait for the Google Meet homepage to load completely. Step 5. Click on the Calls option from the left side menu. Step 6. Wait for the Calls page to load properly. Step 7. View the History section to see your Google Meet call history. Here you can find a list of previous calls, including dates and participants, which helps you track your past meetings. Step 8. Click on the three-dot icon next to a call to open more options. These extra options help you manage your call history more effectively. Step 9. Click on Remove from List to delete that call from history. This is useful if you want to keep your call history clean and remove entries you no longer need. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials like this.